Look at all these plush toys. They are so cute. They are so colorful and soft. Let's have a closer look. I see so many faces here. Lots of eyes, ears, and noses. All these plushes are animals. Let's see if we can sort them. Peppa, what animals do you see here? These are sea animals. Let's name them. Starfish, hippopotamus, whale, shark, dolphin, octopus, sea turtle. Good job! And now, let's play hide and seek among these plush toys. Our friends are hiding here. Let's find them. Who do we have here? Oh, look, it's Yo-Yo. She is hiding between a duck and a cow. Okay. And who is that? Oh, it's George. You found a good spot among pink toys. Hey, Tom Tom, we found you too. And here is Peppa Pig. Good hiding, Peppa. And finally, I see JJ. It was fun playing hide and seek. Let's look at these cuties. They are farm animals. Rabbit, sheep, dog, rabbit, duck, cow, dog. And now look carefully. We have new animals here. Let's see if you can spot them. We added bears. And now we have 3 pairs of animals. We have 2 dogs, 2 bears, and 2 rabbits. And now let's name these animals. Bear, tiger, panda. Nice! Look at this colorful ball. Let's see if our animals can balance on it. What animal is this? Sheep. Correct! Let's name this animal. Octopus. Good job! Look at this animal. What is it? Bear. That's right! What animal is this? Rabbit. Correct! Let's name this animal. Cow. Good job! Look at this animal. What is it? A hippopotamus. That's right! What animal is this? Sea turtle. Correct! Let's name this animal. Duck. Good job! Look at this animal. What is it? Dolphin. That's right! What animal is this? Tiger. Correct! Let's name this animal. Whale. Good job! Look at this animal. What is it? Dog. That's right. What animal is this? Shark. Correct. Let's name this animal. Starfish. Good job. Look at this animal. What is it? Panda. That's right. Do you know that some of these plush toys are finger puppets? Let's see what you've got. Daddy Finger has a shark. Octopus is on a mommy finger. Brother Finger has a hippopotamus. Starfish is on a sister finger. And finally, Baby Finger has a sea turtle. Cool! What animals do you see here? Cow is on a daddy finger. Mommy Finger has a bear. Rabbit is on a brother finger. Sister Finger has a dog. And Panda is on a baby finger. Nice! And these toys have a loop for hanging. Rabbit, sheep, bear. Woohoo! Dog, duck, tiger. How cute! And now, let's play hide and seek with the animals. Oh, I see Panda inside the pyramid. Dolphin is behind Peppa Pig. I see a starfish behind the ball. Duck is sitting inside the house. And sea turtle is behind JJ. Who else is here? I see shark and dog on the rock. Rabbit is hiding among the flowers. And whale is on the treasure chest. And finally, hippopotamus is on the bush. It was fun playing hide and seek. We hope you had fun with us today. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.